Good morning. Dalton and I are having a slow morning. We're watching some Survivor together, and I suggested that we go on a walk this morning because, I don't know, a morning walk sounded nice. However, it was cold when I looked at the temperature, and it's gonna raise in the next couple hours, so we're just waiting to go on that walk. And then Dalton's got his football game to watch today. Woo.
Text five.
And I was thinking about doing my nails today, but I think I'm going to do my nails tomorrow if I do them. I'm feeling very unmotivated because I'm scared that I'm going to fuck them up. Also, I got a comment on yesterday's vlog that was like, just because you're not Mormon anymore, or it was like your language signifies your dignity or whatever. And I'm like, first of all, I can speak however I want to fucking speak. And you shouldn't ever be trying to tell a stranger how to live their life. That being said, if you don't like my shit, don't watch my shit. But if you want to engage with it and give me the views, girl, I'll take it. Fucking family day gets me every time. Alright, this is the fit for the walk. Hot and religiously traumatized, Maddie Zom merch, but since we're going outside and it's bright, I need sunglasses, so I can't wear my glasses. Even though since I got these little rubber things that go on the nose, they don't slide down my nose, so I don't have as much of a problem with my nausea, because I get nauseous from seeing too much blurriness in my peripheral vision. And so I don't like to wear them very often. But since I got that, it isn't as bad. But in the sun, gotta protect them eyes. Voila. We're on our walk, and it's honestly so warm. People keep talking about winter.
We're getting into winter. It's gonna get cold. It's 60
it is
degrees.
December. It's 60 degrees, and
Winter who?
I'm like,
Winter where?
we're thriving. We have gotten home and immediately decided we want to go get In-N-Out, so that's where we're going. Okay, we just went to the store because I'm getting close to 1,000 TikTok followers, so I wanted to get a piece of cake to celebrate once I hit that. And then I also decided to get some garlic because I don't know if the garlic I have is still good, but I'll use it either way because my sourdough starter is ready. I want to make some garlic sourdough. We're out of bread, so we got some bread. Been craving these, and the Grinch is my fucking favorite. Oh my god! It comes with fucking ornaments and shit that you can cut out of the box on the back.
Oh, nice.
Cute. It has hearts. But because the Grinch's heart grew 3 sizes, it has the 3-size heart. Fucking love the Grinch. And I also got my favorite garlic salt. It's from a small business in Alaska. And so now obviously I can't get it as easily or as cost effectively, so I got some dried minced garlic and some dried crushed jalapeno. I'm gonna use my mortar and pestle and make my own garlic salt and see if I can make my own so that I don't have to pay a lot to have it shipped here. Then Dalton also got salted caramel pretzel pat ice cream. Let me put that in the freezer. And fucking freezer does that. And I got some hot fudge because I've been wanting some hot fudge on my ice cream. Okay, so Dalton is watching football and I am doing a quick feed of the sourdough starter so that it can do, thank you, so that it can grow and I can start the recipe tonight, and then they can sit overnight and I can have sourdough tomorrow. I am using a much smaller cup this time to make much less of a mess. So I just gotta do 4 quarter cups. Beautiful. Make it the bottom. Where's the little hat? Okay, I'm just gonna make a small batch of this garlic salt and hopefully it's good. I mean, I'm gonna make test batches essentially, but first I'm gonna go ahead and do the minced garlic. It's pretty fine already, so I'm gonna only do a little bit. Lots of garlic to the face, but that's okay. Oh my god, I love garlic. Obviously, this is the main ingredient, so we're gonna be using a lot. Probably should just do a cap off, but whatever. I don't know how much jalapeno there is in it, but that's fairly strong, so I don't want to do too much jalapeno. Smells good. Just do about that much, maybe. I should probably measure, so then I know if it's too much, too little, you know. I'll do that next time. And then I've got my salt on the most coarse setting, and I'm just gonna add that. Oopsie. I think that might be too much jalapeno. Clearly they don't use a lot of jalapeno in there. I thought there was more than that, but I mean, it's not inherently spicy. I'm gonna put more garlic because I don't smell any garlic over that jalapeno, and I want it to be garlicky. I like that. Still very jalapeno-y. I gotta put lots more salt in though. Every time I smell it, it's not it. But I'll get it eventually. I gotta sneeze again or something. Need tissue. So this is the salt that I get. It's incredible. So it's sea salt, which I'm not using sea salt, but I figured it's salt, you know, it tastes the same. Garlic, jalapeno, and honey. So it may just be missing. That smelled somewhat right, actually. So I think, yeah, it might just be missing the honey. And I also may have added too much jalapeno, but we'll figure it out. Too much jalapeno never hurt nobody. Except for Nurse Hannah's baby. Don't give your child jalapeno. That's crazy. As a fucking baby. Everybody look over here. Yeah. This is Luna's bong rip. Let me give you the other side. Ooh, yeah. And she's hitting it, so it's about to be a wild time. I also ended up going through my memory box, which is back in there, and so Dalton decided to take the time to reorganize that and make it a little bit more concise. But we still gotta go through all that shit and get it. We gotta do that whole wall. We got lots to do. All right, we're doing the advent calendars. I haven't documented this yet.
Where's 7?
Where's number 7, baby?
How did Dad find 7? I can't even find it. Here it is. Look.
It's right there.
It's right here.
It's on the orange cat. Ooh, lots of treats. Lots of yummy, nummy treats. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, Dad lost one. Do you want Mom to give one to you?
Me? Right here. It's right here. See? Good girl. Yeah, get it. Chew that bitch.
You didn't even eat it. Well, don't just lick it. Here, Mom can give you another one.
Ready? Right here.
Look.
Good girl. She has a harder time finding them like that.
Good girl. Okay. Mom and Dad are gonna do theirs.
Now our turn. Where's number 7? I found it. I think I got an angel. Can't get it out. Come out. Yep. An
Nice.
angel. Okay. Yummy, yummy. We're all set up and Luna is ready. We got my candy salad from the Candy Trauma Salad. And I also have the wrapped candy in this one. And Luna's ready to watch a nonsense Christmas with us. Woo! I'll let you know what I think. I'm sure I'm gonna love it because it's Sabrina Carpenter and like every other artist I love. You excited?
Very.
Let's go. If I'm being so honest, I've spent the past couple hours on TikTok just doing some research on like what people want to see about ex-Mormons, because if I can capitalize off of the shit I had to go through, I might as fucking well. And I will stand on that for real. Especially when I'm fucking looking for a job. Are you kidding me? But yeah, so now I'm just gonna edit the vlog and do my journal and shit after and go to bed. See you tomorrow.